Imagine a giant sleek creature gliding silently through the deep ocean, not a whale or a shark, but a submarine. Submarines are like spaceships for the sea, carrying people on incredible journeys far below the surface. They can stay hidden for weeks, exploring places most of us will never see. Some submarines patrol the seas for the military, while others help scientists discover new sea creatures and study the ocean. The real magic is their ability to stay submerged for long periods, diving deep and disappearing from sight. Advanced submarines can even create their own air and water, letting crews live underwater for months. Built from super tough steel, they withstand the crushing pressure of the deep ocean. Submarines journey to places where sunlight never reaches, uncovering mysteries and protecting nations. These powerful, stealthy machines combine exploration, science, and defense in one incredible package. How does a massive submarine dive and resurface? It's all about ballast tanks. To dive, submarines fill these tanks with water, making them heavier and causing them to sink. When it's time to rise, they pump out the water and fill the tanks with air, becoming lighter and floating up. Hydroplanes on the sides help steer up or down, like airplane wings in water. Submarines move with a big propeller at the back, powered by either diesel engines or nuclear reactors. Nuclear power lets some submarines stay underwater for months, providing electricity for everything on board. But how much power does a submarine really need? Submarines require huge amounts of energy, not just for propulsion, but also for life support, lighting, computers, and all the systems that keep the crew alive and the vessel running smoothly. Propulsion uses the most energy, pushing the heavy vessel through water. Life support systems need constant power to provide fresh air, clean water, and a safe environment for the crew. Onboard electronics, navigation, and communication systems also draw significant power. Diesel submarines rely on batteries and engines, so they must surface or use a snorkel to recharge, limiting how long they can stay underwater. Nuclear submarines, on the other hand, generate massive amounts of electricity from their reactors, allowing them to operate for months without surfacing and power all systems continuously. Whether diesel or nuclear, the engine is the heart, silently powering missions deep beneath the sea. Life inside a submarine is cramped and busy. Imagine living in a long, narrow metal tube packed with people and equipment. Submariners sleep in stacked bunks, eat in a small mess, and work together as a tight-knit team. To see above water, they use a periscope. To see underwater, they use sonar, which bounces sound waves to map the surroundings. The control room is the brain, filled with screens and dials for navigation and monitoring. Military submarines have torpedo rooms for defense. Submarines have galleys for cooking, machines to make fresh water, and systems to create air from seawater. Crew members work in shifts, keeping the submarine running 24/7. It's a challenging but exciting life exploring the deep sea together. There are two main types of submarines, military and research. Military submarines patrol the seas, hunt other vessels, or carry powerful missiles, like the USA's Ohio class or Russia's Bory class. Research submarines, or submersibles, help scientists explore deep-sea life, volcanoes, and shipwrecks, using strong windows and robotic arms. Some nuclear submarines can stay underwater for decades without refueling. The deepest dive ever reached the bottom of the Mariana Trench, almost 11,000 meters down. The quietest submarines are called silent hunters for their stealth. Submarines launch drones, map the ocean floor, and push the limits of technology. Next time you see the ocean, remember the silent explorers beneath the waves, always searching, always discovering.